Can't just buy a replacement cover for the knee airbag. So I have this complete knee airbag from another MKX. It's black. I will attempt to paint it to match that, I believe it's called cappuccino. So I clean the surface with this alcohol. And this Rust-Oleum paint, satin smoky beige. The cap looked pretty close to the tan cover there. It says it bonds to plastic. I'll give this a go. I imagine it'll take several coats to get it thick enough to cover the black. So here it goes. That covers it pretty good so far. Try to get the edges covered. So I finished painting the cover. The closest I could match it to the cappuccino interior was the satin smoky beige. However, satin is too shiny. I needed a flat or a matte finish, so I ended up putting two coats of this matte clear Rust-Oleum over the beige color. I got the yellow connector in place. Push this yellow or orange tab in, that'll lock it in position. Once that clicks, then it should be secure. Easier said than done. There. Okay. Now it's in place. This edge here has to go underneath this kick panel. I'll work on that now, getting that tucked into place before I pop it into place. Alright, it's in now. I got the two nuts tightened, everything, all the clips are popped in place. You can see it's not exactly dark enough shade, but it's really not noticeable tucked underneath there. So I don't think it'll be an issue. I think that's pretty darn good. So that's done.